The journey begins where strength is born. Every material is accountable from the start. Precision begins long before assembly. Materials move with purpose.
Intelligence is assembled piece by piece.
Strength hides in layers unseen.
Timing is everything.
The path is set. Every journey has a destination. Precision awaits behind these walls. Movement inside the factory is never accidental. Precision replaces distance with control. Every path has a destination. Supply waits for its exact moment. Gravity bows to engineering. Form begins with force. Shape becomes identity. Structure awaits assembly.
The defense didn't come.
A new stage begins. Human skill anchors automation. Stability enables precision. Microscopic flaws are unacceptable.
Human eyes confirm machine work.
Cleanliness is maintained, not assumed. Approval sends motion forward.
Clean surfaces reveal the truth. Control is silent, but absolute.
Precision has a home. Arrival is only the beginning. Even light follows process. Control continues after force.
Scale serves detail here.
Distance disappears inside precision. It's intention. Protection extends below sight. Heat fixes the base. Durability is locked in.
Many hands, one outcome.
structure is built in layers.
One body, one continuous journey.
This is the car we follow.
Machines wait for command. Ability prepares the next stage.
Each car is still an individual.
Data follows the body everywhere.
Clean becomes critical here.
The surface is ready for transformation.
Cleanliness now defines everything. Protection begins beneath the surface. Corrosion is engineered out. Uniformity is non-negotiable. Strength is set under pressure. Readiness is verified, not assumed. Color waits for its moment. Preparation continues beyond structure. Before refinement, there is cleansing. The foundation defines the finish. Uniformity is engineered, not hoped for. Patience shapes perfection. Invisible residues are removed first. Complexity demands precision. Even invisible forces are controlled. Color is prepared with care. Time and heat complete the finish. The surface tells the story. Perfection is verified, not assumed. Every layer earns its place. Every layer earns its place. Precision is measured in millimeters. This is where intelligence takes over. Strength is applied evenly. Systems arrive as one. Two worlds become one. Trust is confirmed digitally. Alignment defines longevity. Safety is engineered silently. Intelligence runs beneath the surface. Reliability flows unseen.
Every system speaks to another. Breathing. Motion begins with balance. Redundancy ensures confidence. Nothing is hidden from inspection.
Automation hands off to refinement.
Humans remain the final authority.
This is where identity becomes visible.
Inside, everything is controlled. Isolation ensures accuracy.
Silence is engineered layer by layer.
Control surfaces define interaction.
Precision meets ergonomics.
Technology integrates seamlessly. Intelligence is carefully connected.
Response begins at the feet.
Comfort is engineered, not assumed. Touch defines perception.
Refinement surrounds the cabin.
Now the details define the experience. Now everything is tested. Accuracy is verified instantly.
Precision is measured, not assumed.
Intelligence reports its status.
Control is verified under load.
Every system must speak clearly.
Silence is measured scientifically.
Every promise must be proven.
Perfection is preserved.
Perfection is preserved in transit.
Approval sends it forward.
Experience confirms data.
Direction must be exact.
This vehicle is cleared.
The final stage begins quietly. Completeness is confirmed.
Readiness is carefully managed.
Even rest is organized.
Stillness has purpose.
Identity is tracked to the end.
Coordination ensures a clean handoff.
The exit is near. The next journey waits.
Care follows it out. Stability is essential.
And this is how modern factories produce Lexus vehicles from start to finish.
Precision leaves the factory. The path is set. Control defines quality. Craft, discipline, and time converge here.
Please like, share, and subscribe.